how to make money in binary trading using 5-minute strategy. Guys, as you can see, this is a clear price action. Market is creating lower lows. Okay, so in a lower lows, what kind of confirmation you need is only sell engulf. If we find a sell engulf right over there, then that's a very great move we're gonna catch. Okay, so let's see what kind of move I'm gonna see. So guys, after this candle forming, I'll see and where we have to go. So guys, यहाँ पर एक प्री एंट्री ट्रेड बन सकती है. ओके, और यहाँ पर हम फटाफट से 5 मिनट सेलेक्ट कर लेंगे. यहाँ से हम 5 मिनट पे भी देख लेते हैं कि मार्केट की कंडीशन क्या है. मार्केट ने जिस चीज़ का ब्रेकआउट किया, इसको रीटेस्ट किया और कंटिन्यू किया. ठीक है, और आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग कि मार्केट नीचे जाएगी. ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नॉट अ सिंगल रेड कैंडल फॉर्म्ड येट. ओके, सो माय एंटिसिपेशन इज़ कि मार्केट यहाँ से नीचे जाएगी. और जैसे कि अभी आप लोग देख रहे हो कि पूरा मोमेंटम ही अभी बुलिश है. ठीक है, इस बुलिश मोमेंटम में व्हाट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर सेल साइड ट्रेड, राइट. जस्ट गाइस, इस टाइप की ट्रेड के लिए हमें एक सेलिंग गल्फ चाहिए. तो आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट्स अ आइडियल सिनेरियो. स्किप करते हैं. Okay, so here is a ideal situation, guys. As you can see, this is a very beautiful momentum. If you see engulf right over there, I'll be very interested in sell side trade. Very interested. So yes, that's gonna be very great trade. Let's trade this trade, guys. I'm gonna select this. So you just place your like engulfing. We're gonna mark this engulfing in 5 minutes and make sure that this red candle cover the previous green candle, so that will be sure about our direction, right? So I'm very sure that if this candle covered the previous green candle and close below, that's gonna be a very great trade, and I'm gonna take at least $50 risk on this trade. Maybe I can take more than that because this is a very powerful trade, and I trade on engulfing. Like, it's been so long that I'm trading on this concept, and I know that it's gonna 100% winning trade. Let's see, guys. So guys, यहाँ से आपने 5 मिनट लाजमी सेलेक्ट कर लेना. यहाँ से मैंने 5 मिनट सेलेक्ट किया है, and I'm not gonna wait कि market gonna retrace these levels and then I'll gonna put my trade for the sell side option. No, I'm just jump it. Okay, so guys, from this level I'll place my trade. At least this candle need to be retested, this level. Or wait guys, wait. I'll be okay. So come further. So there is a little gap right over there. That is a little bit suspicious. So I'm not gonna take trade. Wait until unless it hit this level. So guys, I'm taking this trade because this candle behavior was like this. Candle came up and then going down. So there's huge chances that this will go towards this levels. So let's see. This is a candle behavior, and if you want to take trades for like on the candle behaviors, you can go on 15-minute time frame for a very short trades. Like that's like 15-minute time frame is something like you are watching something on a glass, how this is working, right? So here you can see it's working perfectly it's working, right? So from this sell engulf, market is going right over there, market is going for the new low, right? So guys, if you want to join our live trading sessions, you can join us. There's a link in the description. You can join and make money with us. We also provide news trade signals and on daily basis compounding as well. So you can join, and if you want to learn, you can take our mentorship courses as well. So here you can see it's so easy to make money from this price action, and the market is working smoothly and market is going on the way. So here you can see this was so clear that the market was bearish. We have to surely see that the market is in a bearish trend. Market was in a bearish trend, and I just saw a sell engulf, and after sell engulf I go with the flow, and the flow is your friend. As we all know, the trend is our friend. That is something that you need to be sure about this, that your trend is your friend. As you can see, there is only 2 minutes left, and so here you can see this is working smoothly. So guys, it's working perfectly. It's like a Saturday, and we are doing this on a OTC market, and this is working perfectly. If you go on 1 minute time frame and you are taking trades, the number one thing that gonna happen with yourself, that you're gonna do over trading. You will face revenge trading. How much ever you profit made, you're gonna lose it at the end. Okay, so that's why I always suggest every student to shift on a 5 minute, because there is so much control. And as you can see, we just took this one trade and perfectly we win this trade, and that's enough for today. And you can see the perfection of this trade. Amazing results, guys, amazing. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your fellow friends. So see you in the next video. It is just about to win. So whenever you use this concept, make sure you are following the trend, right? The trend is bearish. So see you in the next video. Bye.